Hello everyone. Our today's topic is how to write scientific notation into usual form. What is scientific notation we have done in our previous video? Let us recap. Scientific notation is the method of writing very large number or very small numbers in exponential form. Usually scientists and engineers find it often convenient to write numbers in this form. A into 10 raised to the power n, where n is an integer, a is a terminating decimal. We need to note only one digit left to the decimal should be there. We have taken this example where the power of the 10 increases if the decimal moves to the left side. And this number can be written 2.8 into 10 raised to the power 7. One more example, this number can be written as 7.32 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, where power of 10 decreases if the decimal shift to the right side. Now how to write the numbers written in the scientific notation into the usual form. Let us take an example. 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 5. We know 10 raised to the power 5 can be written as 1 lakh in this way. Simple multiplication can be performed. And we know there is one decimal place, so we from right side count digits and put decimal there, because there is one decimal place. So the answer is this. Taking one more example, 6.023 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. We can write this minus 2, 10 raised to the power minus 2 by using this law of exponent in this way. And then we rewrite the number 6023 upon 1000 into 1 upon 100. This can be open as 100. Numerators multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by the denominator, we get this number. And we know how to resolve this problem. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros next to this number, one digit. So we count from the extreme right of this number and place that number of digits there and put a decimal. So this is 0.06023 is the answer. Scientific notation. Comparison. Let us compare the numbers given in the form of scientific notation. For example, which is the smaller, it is asked. 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 or 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. Let us solve. 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 2 can be simplified as 150. 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 3 can be simplified as 1500. We know 150 is smaller than 1500. So we can say 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 2 is less than 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 3. Let us take another example which is greater. 432 into 10 raised to the power 3 or 63.5 into 10 raised to the power 4. 432 into 10 raised to the power 3, first of all we see this is 432 and this is 63.5. We cannot say that this is bigger because it is 432. We also need to consider their powers. We first change this number into the scientific notation. This decimal is present here, it will shift left side 2 steps. So the power of 10 will be increased 2 step right side. So it will be 4.32 into 10 raised to the power 5. Here this is 63.5. So this decimal will shift left side 1 step. So this power will be shifting right side 1 step. So it will be 6.35 into 10 raised to the power 5. Now we can see the power are same. Because the power is same, we can now compare it with the help of these two numbers. 4.32 is smaller than 6.35. It means 6.35 into 10 raised to the power 5 is greater than 4.32 into 10 raised to the power 5. We consider this example once again. 1.5 and 1.5, that is A is same here, and 10 raised to the power 2 and 10 raised to the power 3. Because A is same here, we can simply compare them by their powers. If the power is bigger, that number is bigger. If the power is smaller, that number is smaller. But this is not always happening. Let us take this example. 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 2 and 0.076 into 10 raised to the power 3. Here we can see 10 raised to the power 3. 3 power is bigger than this power 2. But we need to take care of this A. We have to see this A, the value. So it's better to convert them into the scientific notation form. When we simplify this, we get 250 here. When we simplify this, we get, after shifting the decimal 2 places right side, and this will be shifted 2 places left side. So we get here 7.6 into 10 raised to the power 1. That is only here we can say 76. So we can compare 250 and 76. We find 250 is bigger. It means 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 2 is bigger than 0.076 into 10 raised to the power 3. This is how we conclude this topic. Thank you for watching.